Do you want to view all the photos on Messenger? You can see all shared pictures on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to view all photos on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Viewing all shared photos on Messenger is the ability to see all the photos you've sent or received within Messenger chat conversations. Using this method you can view all photos and videos without scrolling specific friend or group conversation. To view all shared photos on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, go to the Someone chat where you want to view all shared photos. You can view all pictures from individual chats or specific groups. Now, tap on the name of your friend or the group from the top of the conversation screen. You can also tap on the info icon located at the top right corner of the chat window. Scroll down to the More Actions section and tap on View Media, Files, and Links to proceed. You'll now see a list of all media, files, and links shared between you and the friend. This includes photos, videos, documents, and links. Scroll through the list until you find the shared photos you're looking for. Tap on a photo to view it in full screen or to download it into your device. By following these simple steps, you can easily view all shared photos and videos within a Messenger conversation. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips.